So first I'm going to oil the cutting board because the ulu sap is very, very sticky. So this ulu's been steaming for about an hour. So first I'm going to cut the top off. This is the top where the stem connects to the tree. Now, let's take a look. I'm going to put it on its flat surface. That's the safest way to cut. And then I'm going to slice it straight down. Voila! Look how beautiful. Lots of flesh. This is the core right here. This is the part we are going to cut out. Next I'm going to peel the ulu. I didn't peel this before I cooked it because the sap is very, very sticky and I'm actually allergic to the sap. It makes my skin blow up with a rash. So I just steam it, get rid of that itchiness. We can take off the peel with a couple different ways. One, we could use our knives. We could also use a butter knife. This is a lot safer for kids and very easy to do. We could also use a peeler. Now that the peel's off, I'm gonna cut this into its quarter, so that means it's half. That's a quarter of an ulu. So this is the core of the ulu. We don't eat that part. This goes into the compost. It's very simple to cut out. That's it. Now all this flesh is edible. This is gonna go to the compost. I'm going to cut this into cubes. Very simple. Children could even use this type of a knife or a nylon knife. Just cuts right through. Very simple. Look at that, we can follow up. Here we have our fresh coconut milk that I just made. I'm gonna put half a cup of a liquid to start. All right, so now we're gonna add some cold pressed olive oil. You could also add ghee, which is clarified butter, or butter that's grass-fed from organic animals. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of sea salt and some fresh ground pepper. Finish it up. Just went out to the garden and picked some flat leaf or broadleaf Italian parsley. I'm gonna use these amazing handy dandy herb scissors to cut tiny little pieces into our recipe.